If you're looking for an app to practice speaking Italian with AI, in this video I'm going to walk you through Learn Italian SpeakWiz and show you how it works, what I found while using it, and what you can expect from it. So SpeakWiz is a language learning app focused on helping you practice Italian through lessons, pronunciation, and AI interaction. When I first opened the app, I noticed that it's structured around lessons rather than just jumping straight into conversations, which gives it a bit more guidance than I initially expected. The app is divided mainly into lessons. For example, I tried a lesson about ordering coffee and a pastry. It starts with a short text where I can see the vocabulary, how it's used, and what it means. It's not too long, just enough to understand the context. After that, I move into a quiz where I answer questions based on what I just learned. This repeats a few times, short explanations followed by quizzes, so it feels like a step-by-step progression. Then there's a second part focused on pronunciation. The app shows me the vocabulary on screen, and I have to say it out loud. The AI listens, analyzes my pronunciation, and gives corrections if needed. At the end of the lesson, I get a score with an accuracy percentage, plus a quick summary of how I did. The app also has an AI chat with a character called Kiko, which is basically the mascot. Here I can try different things like practicing vocabulary, testing my skills, or trying role-play scenarios. I did try using the role-play feature, but in my experience, it didn't feel like a fully natural conversation. Instead of flowing like a real dialogue, the AI would explain in English what I should say, and then ask me to repeat it. So it felt more like guided practice rather than an actual conversation. Also, something important to note is that the AI conversation features are limited by credits, so if you're using the free version, you won't be able to practice for very long. One thing I liked is that the lessons are easy to follow and structured. I always knew what I was learning and why. The combination of short explanations, quizzes, and pronunciation practice makes it feel balanced, especially if you like a more guided experience. I also liked seeing the accuracy score at the end. It gives a clear idea of how well I did. At the same time, the AI conversation experience didn't feel very natural to me. Since it guides you in English and asks you to repeat responses, it doesn't fully simulate a real conversation in Italian. And because of the credit system, I couldn't use that feature as much as I would have liked without upgrading. From my experience, SpeakWiz works well if you're looking for a mix of structured lessons and pronunciation practice in Italian. But if your main goal is to have more fluid, natural conversations, the AI part might feel a bit limited. Overall, SpeakWiz offers a combination of lessons, quizzes, and pronunciation practice, with some AI features added on top. It feels more like a guided learning app with some speaking elements, rather than a fully conversation-focused tool. That said, if you're exploring different ways to practice Italian, there is another tool that I would recommend checking out. And that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So it's not just repetition, it actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, and if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a role-play situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button, and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.